Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is April 10th, 2008. The recent alternative investment conference in Dubai spoke to the significance of hedge funds during the current market dip and the lack of liquidity, Global Money Management reports. The conference, which was attended by over 300 institutional and high net worth investors from the region, resulted in a consensus that markets in developing nations will continue to grow despite the liquidity lull. Managing Director at Union Bancaire Privée Dubai, Azhar, said, "No matter how severe the looming financial crisis is, it is certain to lead to new opportunities in the future as talented hedge fund managers will be in a good position to monetize those opportunities." Managing Director at UBP in Geneva, Daniel De Pocatioto, said he foresees the Gulf Cooperation Council and BRIC nations will move ahead without hesitation and will become the investment platforms of choice. Staying with asset management news, Abraxas Capital Management is seeking to grow its quantitative hedge fund, the Abraxas Fund, to €250 million from €51 million, notes Alternative Investment News. It will shortly begin marketing push alongside Amaris targeting European institutional investors. A roadshow will visit London, Geneva, Zurich, Lugano, Paris, and Vienna in the next few months. And in other asset management news, Edinburgh-based SVM Asset Management is prepping the launch of SVM Cautious Managed Fund and SVM Balanced Managed Fund on May 15th, Global Money Management reports. The launches aim to offer advisors access to a fund of funds team while meeting the risk requirements of more cautious clients. The Cautious Fund and the Balanced Fund will contain 40 and 15% respectively in an actively managed cash and bonds portfolio. Most of the portfolios will be invested in a diversified international portfolio of specialist funds that will include private equity, real estate, and hedge funds to benefit from opportunities for long-term growth similar to the SVM Global Opportunities Fund. And in more asset management news, fund manager Franklin Templeton Investments has introduced a Global Emerging Markets Fund for Australian investors, writes Global Money Management. The Templeton Emerging Markets Fund is available in local currency. Mark Mobius will serve as lead portfolio manager. Mobius has worked in the emerging markets arena for more than 2 decades. He said the fund aims to deliver long-term capital growth by investing mainly in the securities of companies in emerging markets. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.